Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share how I clean my resin mold. So this is the mold that I use for my cement. I'm supposed to clean it every time right after my cement project, but sometimes maybe I just forgot to wash it. So after a few days it will become like this. So as you can see, all the cement stain is already there. All the cement has been absorbed into the mold. I try to rinse this with water. I try to use my soap dish to clean it, and I also try to use the heavy detergent, but it doesn't work at all. So if I try to scrub it, the stain just won't come out. So if this scenario happen on you, so I have a quick solution for this. So all you have to do is prepare a carving knife. So what you need to do is you just need to scratch away the cement like this. You have to be very careful because not to over scrub. I'm just worried that if you over scrub, you might ruin or damage your mold. So you just need to scrub away the cement like this. Eventually all the cement will go off. But this one you really need to put a lot of patience and time on this. So I'm not sure whether you can see it or not, but obviously this is the cement that is already scrubbed off, and this is the before, and this portion is the after. I think for the flat surface like this, it's much more easier for you to scrub the cement off, but for all those edges, you have to be really careful. What you need to do is you need to fold middle finger and your thumbnail. You just push the edge like this, and then you just scrub. But please be very careful of your finger. Do not just cut your finger or scrub your finger. And try to find a carving knife which is with this flat head and not the one with the 45-degree angle. That one is very sharp, it's not suitable for this. And this is the portion. I just clean it, and same goes to the inner part. And for this portion, you just need to scrub like this. Just find a better way, whichever convenient for yourself. Just like this. So just now I have scrubbed another of my mold. This is the result. I actually spent about 45 to 1 hour just to scrub all the cement off. So after you scrub it off, everything, just clean it with a soapy water, and then I put some coconut oil on it so that the surface became smoother. I think now it's ready to use again. As I said earlier, this is not the best method to clean your mold, but right now I do not have any other solution. So if you guys have any other method, please do share with me. I would like to learn from you. And until I see you again next time, bye!